Our goal here in Devens is to become the manufacturing center of excellence for all the Americas.
This is a very incredible place.
They definitely spend time investing in you.
You come in and you go to work and you actually get to grow with the company.
I just think we've got a great team here. People seem genuinely happy to come into work, and I'm really proud to be part of it.
Watson-Marlow, we're a manufacturer of all sorts of peristaltic pumping and fluid path technologies that go into a variety of industries. Being a life sciences hub here in the greater Boston area, our goal is to manufacture all of our products to the highest standard.
The company is really dedicated to the well-being and safety of all their employees. You feel heard here. Everyone's really nice. I feel like an important part of my team and the company.
Watson-Marlow, they take care of people here. They think about people. This is the very first company in my entire career that they take safety as a priority.
We need each other. I love the people I work with. Everyone I've worked with and the entire team here at Watson-Marlow Devens has been fantastic, and that's what keeps me here.
We're really starting to roll now. We're taking on more and more. By the end of the year, we'll have a lot more functions within the business, a lot more companies coming on board. It's going to really get to be a lot of fun then, because a lot of the activity is going to start.
Honestly, I think it's limitless with opportunities.
I came in here and it was like open arms. Everybody was so welcome and so friendly, and they all made me feel like at home.